Welcome to our guide on lovely Christmas pine cone display ideas. Pine cones are a versatile and timeless element that can instantly add charm and warmth to your holiday decor. Whether you're looking for something rustic, modern, or vintage-inspired, there are countless ways to incorporate pine cones into your Christmas decorations. Let's explore some creative and simple ideas to elevate your home's festive spirit. Cozy basket of Pinecones. Place pine cones in a basket and accent it with string lights. This quick and easy idea instantly creates a cozy vibe in your space. Woodland bowl centerpiece. Combine moss, pine cones, evergreens, and candle holders in a bowl to create a woodland-inspired centerpiece perfect for the holidays. Vintage gold ornament arrangement. Pair vintage gold ornaments, evergreens, and pine cones in a centerpiece for a stunning last-minute Christmas decoration. Natural bowl with birch candle holders. Fill a bowl with pine cones and place birch branch candle holders in the center for an all-natural and rustic look. Festive pine cones and disco balls. Create a centerpiece with acorns, pine cones, and disco balls for a decoration that works for both Christmas and New Year's Eve. Snowy pine cone pot. Fill a pot with evergreens and snowy pine cones to use as a centerpiece or as a charming coffee table decoration. Rustic dough bowl decoration. Use a dough bowl, fill it with evergreens and pine cones, and place a candle in the center for a simple rustic touch. Vintage and natural centerpiece. Create a centerpiece with a vintage stand, berries, greenery, pine cones, and candles for a classic holiday look. Elegant tray decor style. A tray with snowy pine cones, silver ornaments, mercury glass Christmas trees, and candles for a sophisticated coffee table display. Classic evergreens and Pinecones. Combine evergreens and pine cones with candles for a timeless holiday decoration that exudes winter coziness. Potpourri jar. Fill a jar with evergreens, pine cones, ornaments, dried orange slices, and cinnamon sticks. Use it as decor, potpourri, or even a party favor. Entryway woodland arrangement. Arrange large pine cones and small trees in pots and baskets with lights to bring holiday cheer to your entryway. Vintage green and pine cone combo. Pair vintage green ornaments with large pine cones for a perfect blend of rustic and vintage style. Heart-shaped bowl. Fill a wooden heart-shaped bowl with snowy pine cones, bells, orange slices, and cinnamon for a lovely scented and rustic look. jar centerpiece. Create a centerpiece with a jar filled with pine cones, gold ornaments, branches, and leaves for an easy yet elegant holiday display. Modern silver and Pinecones. Arrange silver ornaments, pine cones, twigs, and evergreens for a sleek and modern Christmas decoration. Rustic pine cone table. Runner. Style your table with a runner made of evergreens and pine cones, dotted with candles for a cozy rustic feel. Elegant window decor. Decorate your window with an evergreen garland, lights, and pine cones hanging on ribbons for a chic and elegant touch. Snowy pine cones and vintage bells. Combine snowy pine cones and vintage bells for a cozy and rustic feel. Bells are a traditional and charming alternative to ornaments. Tiered wooden standoos. A wooden tiered stand filled with bowls, trays, beads, evergreens, leaves, pine cones, and a candle in the center for a multi-level holiday display. These ideas demonstrate the endless possibilities of using pine cones in your Christmas decor. Whether you prefer a rustic, modern, or vintage style, these displays are easy to create and bring a warm holiday spirit to any space. Start decorating today and let the charm of pine cones transform your home into a festive wonderland. Happy holidays!